The XX Ultralight Briefcase Display is the largest of the Ultralight X models and is ideal for maximum graphic visibility and function. At 10.5 pounds, 32 inches high, and over 5 feet wide, the XX is the right choice for regional trade shows, large group meetings, and conferences. The exterior of all Ultralight X briefcase displays are constructed of a rigid ABS thermoform plastic. Graphic panels are attached with Velcro and are quickly and easily updated to meet all your presentation needs. A Velcro closure ensures that the panels stay closed during transport, keeping your graphics safe and contained. The canvas carrying bags are made of waterproof material. The full side pockets can hold the table cover and header, and there's plenty of room for extra graphics. The canvas bag allows for hands-free carrying of your entire display kit. The patented Ultralight X displays are the nation's leading lightweight, self-contained tabletop display series. They include a lifetime warranty and are all made in the USA. Ultralight X, it's an open and shut case.